Hey, if you want to customize the lock screen on Poco C85, there's actually a lot of things that we can change. The first thing that we can actually change that is available in the home screen, and over here, in the lock screen actually, we can actually change the shortcuts. So here, as you know, on the left bottom corner of your lock screen, we can find the shortcuts. You can turn them off, but also we can replace them. You can, for example, keep the only one, and the second one you can turn off, so you can set all the shortcuts that you are often using. Next, to change other things about the lock screen, you have to go for personalization. Click over here, and as you can see, first of all, we can change the lock style. So we can get the different wallpaper, the different clock style, but don't worry, you can still customize all of those things. So let's say I really enjoy this wallpaper and I want to get this one. So I have to click customize. And now when I'm gonna click over here, I can change this first option. This is the weather widget. And in my case, I would like to get the feels like temperature. Then we can close this and click on the clock where we can change its font style. So I'd like to get this one. There's also option to change to show only minutes or hours. And here we can also change the another option here. So we can add, for example, the weather widget, or we can completely turn it off, or we can add date. That's up to your preferences. And the same below, we can add the weather, add date and the time, or we can turn it off. Now we can close this one. When we tap over here, we can add the custom signature into our lock screen. We can even put here emojis. And next we can add the wallpaper effects. There's like a lot of them. Now we can change color of the clock and of the date. And we can also change the wallpaper at the end. So if we want to get this one, for example, we have to click on it and now click apply to basically apply all of those changes.